Learn how to get mis-sold mortgage compensation in the UK with our step-by-step guide. If you have been a victim of mis-sold mortgage claims in the UK, this video will provide you with the necessary information to seek compensation and justice. Watch now to understand your rights and the process of making a claim for mis-sold mortgage in the UK. Did you know that in the UK, many people have been victims of mis-sold mortgages? It's a shocking reality that could be affecting you or someone you know. Today, we're diving into the world of mis-sold mortgage compensation. Understanding your rights in this area is crucial, and we're here to guide you through the process. Mis-sold mortgages can happen in various ways, from receiving misleading information to being given unsuitable advice. These scenarios can lead to financial loss and stress for homeowners. So, how can you tell if you've been mis-sold a mortgage? We'll walk you through the steps to identify any red flags and help you navigate the process of seeking compensation. When it comes to strengthening your mis-sold mortgage compensation claim, key factors such as evidence of financial loss or misleading advice can make all the difference. We'll show you how to gather and present this crucial information. To sum it up, seeking compensation for a mis-sold mortgage is not just about getting back what you're owed. It's about holding those responsible accountable and protecting your financial well-being. Don't hesitate to take action if you suspect you've been a victim. If you found this information helpful, make sure to check out our other videos on financial rights. And if you've had any experiences with mis-sold mortgages, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Your story could help others in similar situations. Thanks for watching. Get in touch today, 07535 615 325.